Hey, this is Matt at EspressoMachineResearch.com. Just wanted to show you the Nespresso machine that I have at my house. You can see we got a couple here going on. Got the DeLonghi and then the Nespresso machine here. Pretty simple, quick operation. You just flip the switch in the back. It does not take very long for the Nespresso machine to warm up. Our DeLonghi here to the left can take a few minutes and it cleans itself out every time, but the Nespresso is rather quick. You see that green light flashing there on the side. It'll turn solid here in a few more seconds, and then we can load the Nespresso machine. Alright, there it is. So once it turns green, see that took there about 30 seconds for it to heat up. You just take your little Nespresso capsule. Ristretto is my favorite. It's one of the darkest blends that Nespresso offers. Stick it in the hole there, pull the top down, put your espresso cup in. It's got two settings. This is the full-size coffee side, and this would be the espresso setting over here. And just like that, the Nespresso is ready to go.